Hello everyone, this is Tiki from Aura Estelle. I design planners and planner accessories that I use on a daily basis. So today, welcome to my desk. I know it might look a little bit messy, but this is what it is. So today I'm going to walk you over sort of my planner essentials that I use to plan on a daily basis. So starting with the planner that I'm currently in, this is the A5 Magnet Daily. And I have it currently in this lilac skin cover that we've actually just released. Let's start with the pens that I use. There are 3 types of pens that I reach out every single day, and they are, so first I have my fountain pen. This is the Esterbrook fountain pen with the medium nib, and I've been in this pen for almost half a year now, and I really still love it because I really like that type of bold, thick text that it brings out. I think it creates a very pretty contrast with the white paper. So this is my main pen right now. And then of course I have my highlighters. I have a lot of white liners and other brands highlighters because they are so important in my planning procedure. I use my highlighters to sort of set the tone of my weekly spreads. Let me show you how many highlighters I have. So I actually have them in 2 baskets because one just won't fit in. And I separate them in the warm tone and the cool tone. So every week I would kind of go in there and pick out the colors that I want to use for this week. And I find it really pretty when my whole week is in the same color theme. So right now, for example, I am in this sort of like purple lilac tone, and I'm also using the same lilac functional stickers. As you can see, I use them on my timelines. I think it's really pretty to add emphasis to the events happening throughout my day. And that's why I also chose the lilac color highlighter for this week, and I paired it with a gray, and I just think they go really well together over here. And then number 3 is my brush pens. This is the famous Tombow brush pens, and I use them so much to do my titles or just to add emphasis to things that are really important for the week. So these 3 pens are my must-haves for my planning. And then next, ink. So I actually am very boring. I use black ink most of the time, 99% of the time. So right now I have the Pelikan 4001 black ink and also the Iroshizuku ink in the Takesumi, I think it means like charcoal color. So these 2 are both intense black. And then of course I have a lot more ink on my shelf, but right here I also have a navy blue, and this one is a beautiful pink ink with a hint of green shade. It's very interesting. I got this from Yoseka, and yes, I do keep my different inks in different fountain pens. So for example, I have this pink ink in this pink pen over here, so I know I won't mix them up together. And then another favorite is this tab sticker. This is the Ishoni tab sticker that I've been using a lot lately. I use them to kind of add tabs to my monthly tracker. Very easy to navigate to, just flip. And my kids' calendar, these are sort of the pages that I have to navigate to quite often. So I want to add tabs to them. And I also have a tab to mark out my today, so it just navigates to wherever I am right now. Oh, how can I forget about this baby? This is my must have. It's a artist glove, that's what I call it, because I have sweaty hands, and sweaty hands tends to wet the pages, and then when the pages are wet, it absorbs more ink and it just is not pretty. So I always wear my gloves when I'm planning, and I think it also reduces that weird friction that I would have if my hands are really wet. So another must-have, recommend to all of you that have sweaty hands like me. Oh, and also, before I forget, my ruler and my tweezer. I always have a tweezer in my pen case because I like to use a tweezer to pick my stickers and lay them down my planner. I don't like to use my fingers because one, I have long nails and the accuracy is really bad. And secondly, with some smaller stickers, I always tend to misplace them to like random places, and I miss that position. So I always use my tweezer to place my sticker where I want to. A small ruler always stays in my pen case because I like to use them to section my pages like this. And sometimes I would section a line here to separate my journaling and my to-do list of the day. So a ruler is a must-have. And I always have another big copper ruler on my desk. This one has been with me for so long, probably like more than 10 years, and I love the length of it, and I use it to measure my samples. So here I have some B6 skin covers that I was measuring, confirming sizes and stuff. So it's something that I use to measure anything that's a little bit bigger than normal. And over here, I have my tip-ins in the A5 and B6 sizes. I use them to set up my monthly tracker in the beginning of every month. So here I have them tucked in the back of my tracker because I mainly use them to set up my tracker and also to do my reflections. So during the month, I do have to access to this monthly tracker on a daily basis. So it's more convenient to tuck it in the back of the tracker. And then apart from my planning essentials, I also have my camera and my snacks. Oh, there's something over here. And oh, also this baby is quite useful. I've been reaching out a lot. It's the Norino sticky tape stapler. So I was adding quite a bit of photos to my spreads earlier last month. And to do that, I was just simply applying these sticky tapes on the back of my printouts, and then they just kind of stick nicely into the page without too much like messy glue on the side. So I think this is such a cute invention. I really like it. So those are some of my favorite things that I like to use in my daily planning, and I hope you guys like them. I'll put all of the things I've talked about in the description down below in case you're interested. And feel free to share what you have on your desk and what your favorite planning tools are. Thank you guys so much for watching this. See you next week.